इधर रहेगा किधर? तो है ही नहीं, गाड़ी छोड़ के चला गया अभी क्या? Okay guys, so without wasting any time, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and purchase a few fruits and vegetables and share my experience with you all. So I hope you'll enjoy this vlog as well. So let's not waste much time. I'll see you all out. Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith and you're watching Wild Hack. I'm going to get a few vegetables and fruits. So I like to share this sort of content with you all as well. So please stay tuned and let's enjoy the small ride and marketing. Here are selling eggs, onions. Let me check what is the situation out here for the wine shops. They say order online and they've given a number. So I guess you have to order online, then you get some sort of token or something, and then you come in and you collect it. So that is how it is. They're giving tokens or what? So there it is. You just put it in your bag and you have to pay it online. So they're not giving it directly. You have to, that's the number out there. You have to order online and pay it online itself. You have to just come in and then collect your drinks. That's how it works. So no vegetables. I need to go to, I don't know, go to Wakola. Try and see if I can. Oh, there are some bags over there. Oh boy, I can see huge crowd out here. These are migrants from Assam, Mizoram, and they are all leaving to head towards their villages, their native. They are all working out here in Mumbai, and now as per the current situation they are forced to leave and return back. It's not only with them but it's with many of the migrants who are working in Mumbai. It's a really sad situation, guys. I just hope and pray that we get out of this and life is normal again. Now I just hope that the rains shouldn't trouble us as we are nearing rains now. Saying 50 for the papaya. What do you reckon, guys? So the papaya is for 50. I told him, I tried to bargain. I told him give it to me for 30. Then I told him give it to me for 40. He is sticking to his cost, which is 50, and I think so I need to purchase it. I'm very bad at bargaining. भैया जी दे दो मेरे को. ओ देखो इधर पे ये अच्छा दे दो ना. What man? He's giving me the spoiled one. बैग के अंदर डाल दो ना. दे रहे ना. इधर हम देखो 50. भाई 50 दे दो ना इधर पे, 100 दिया मैंने।
आप ले रहा हूँ 25
हाँ,
रुपया। ले रहा हूँ ना पैसा आप।
इज नॉट गिविंग चेंज मैन, व्हाट इज दिस? पैसा पैसा मेरा पैसा,
आपका हो गया।
मेरा 50 रुपया। ये कितना दिया रे? 20। अरे 50 बोला कितना है?
75 1.5 किलो।
अरे क्या 75? 50 बोला था।
50 रुपए, ऐसा नहीं बोला किलो में है, 50 रुपए किलो है।
अरे क्या भैया, 80 आए, ये दे दो और 10 दे दो मेरे को, चलो। चीटिंग मैन, दिस इज रियल चीटिंग। He told me 50 bucks and now he charged me around 70. Boy, I try to bargain. Anyways, we'll head back, but before I head back, sanitization process very important. अपन sanitize करेगा, अपन sanitize करेगा रे बाबा, चुचुक चुचुक। फिर इसको ऐसे ऐसे करने का, पीछे भी लगाने का एकदम। चलो चलो, थैंक्स भैया। ओके गाइस, इट्स ओके यार। To me, on kilo basis, then yes, it's more than a kg, so it's okay. I saw a vegetable vendor behind here, so hi, let's buy some vegetables. अरे कोई है क्या रे बाबा इधर पे? कौन है? It's a really tough job, especially in this sort of heat. So always respect the guys who are selling vegetables, and especially in a situation like this, you're not getting vegetables. And as per the news update as well, that there are a lot of locusts that have been traveling from Rajasthan, almost going to hit Maharashtra. They are in Maharashtra as well. A few news, I'm not quite, it's not confirmed, but yes. So it's going to be a very hard time for everyone in future now. So just take care of yourself, try to save, and plan out how are you going to survive. As I mentioned, that is very difficult 2020 year ahead as well. Where is this guy gone? Hey boss, I'm surprised. He's just left his cart out here and he's gone. Here, there he is. Is he the guy? किधर गया? कहाँ गया मुझे नहीं पता। मुझे लगा आएगा इधर, रहेगा किधर पे, तो है ही नहीं, गाड़ी छोड़ के चला गया। अभी क्या बोलने का? हाँ, तो फिर भी गाड़ी छोड़ के इतना डर लगता है ना, कुछ भी जोड़ के जाने के लिए। हाँ, कोई भी लेके जाएगा फुकट का। कहाँ गया वो? कोतमीर नहीं है ना वहाँ पे? जो कोतमीर देना नहीं है ना, कोतमीर मिर्ची है, कोतमीर ख़त्म हो गया। कहाँ गया वो? He just left his cart abandoned and is gone somewhere. What if someone comes and just takes it away? I wanted some tomatoes and a bit of some vegetables, but now where has this guy disappeared?
A few minutes later.
Let me just check if he's somewhere out here. I can't see anyone out here. Where is he going? He's left his cart out here and is disappeared. अरे कहाँ गया रे भाई? No sign. It's been around. आपका है? अरे कहाँ भैया, आप गाड़ी छोड़ के चले गए? अरे मैं कब से रुका हूँ, बोल रहा किधर क्या? डरने लगता है कि आपको ऐसा गाड़ी छोड़ के जाने के लिए? अरे पर फिर भी टमाटर कितना दिया? 30 का दे दो किलो एक. Tomatoes were 20 at one time. Now they're selling it for 30. But this is how it is here. कोथमीर है? हाँ दोस्त, कोथमीर है क्या? मिर्ची है? अदरक है? अदरक भी नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है, सिर्फ ये दे दो फिर टमाटर. I wanted little bit of हरा मसाला, they call it, like कोथमीर and अदरक, कड़ी पत्ता, but I'm not getting it. हाँ? क्या? कितना? 2 किलो? अच्छा ठीक है, चलो कर दो. अच्छा वाला दे दो दोस्त. नहीं अरे नहीं. Trying to sell it out to me. This is what everyone is doing right now. If you're a good salesman, they try to convince you. This black plastic bags are not good, but then I just will take it and then throw it out later on to dispose it. 340. Ladies and gentlemen, whoever do this kind of shopping, when you move out of your house and you purchase things from the fruit vendors or from the vegetable, from the grocery, always use a sanitizer after you make a purchase. You need to make this a habit so that it's good for you, it's good for your family, and you protect yourself. Nothing much. Yes, kochi here, adrak also. So I wanted this. This is the main two things what I required. Oh. 150 का? अरे छोटा वाला ऐसा नहीं, छोटा वाला चाहिए मेरे को. छोटा वाला आपको लूज में है. कितने का है? मेरे को 20 का देना. 20 का? हाँ 20 का दे दो. Let me see how much it gives, because I get a good handful for 20 bucks. It's very expensive guys, because it's the season is humid and they get spoiled, being kept out. So they just put water, rinse it with water and they keep it, because once it turns black then it's of no use. So that's the reason why it's very expensive. और अदरक भी 20 का दो ना मेरे को. So you can see how the amount, how less it is. Things are becoming very expensive. So yes. You're not getting Kothmir. I've just checked. You saw the market, right? So that's the reason I had to come here in Kurla to purchase this. The Kalina market was shut down. I don't know for what reason, especially the vegetable vendor. So I could see the BMC van out there. So that just might have told them to close it down, maybe due to some reason. I'm not sure what it is. So that's the reason why I've come in here, purchase a few things. 30, so it's the same. तो शिमला मिर्च कितने का? 15 rupees kg. और दूधी 60 bucks. That's for the one. Things are becoming expensive. It's a bit busy right now. check for और ये वटाना का कितना 25 पाव 25 for a quarter kg. It's not bad, but I don't feel this is really good. It's not worth, I feel. I don't know. I'm not good at judging things, so right. बैगन कितने का दिया है यार छोटा 15 rupees for quarter kg. What about cucumber? This is a good sort of cooling agent, especially you can use this. Nice.
मटर कैसा जी है?
इसका कितना है काकड़ी का कितना 12 रुपया पाव. ठीक है ये पाव दो ना मेरे को. एक मिनट कितना और दो. ठीक है. This can be used in salad as well, so I'm just taking that. 12 20 20 52 कितना 15. अच्छा ठीक है. Goes in. I think so done. Whatever vegetables I wanted. Now, very important thing. You once again will sanitize our hands. Important thing. You need to use your sanitizer. So here is sanitizer. I always rub it across my hands right at the back as well, because you never know. You need to keep your hands clean. I feel very clean. If I don't do this, then I feel little scared. So I don't mind using a lot of sanitizer, even if it's after every 5 minutes, especially when you're out. So yes, I wipe my hands nice and clean with the sanitizer, because when you're purchasing things from the vendors, you might not know, but unknowingly you might just get in contact with them. So every now and then you need to sanitize your hands. They're all leaving. And how long it will take for you all to reach? 3-4 days. How are you all going from here, by bus or by bus? So this bus is for what? From here to Vasai, and then from there by train. Okay. And they have done the medical test for you. They have done. Okay. All the best. Chalo, safe journey. See you all soon. So you can see these buses out there, guys. So the northeast crowd, you can say, have been seated in this buses. You can see there. That's the luggage. That's the bus which has a lot of luggage, and the rest of them have been seated out here. So this is the arrangement that has been done by the government. You can see these people all with the luggage. It's time to say bye to them. I have a few friends. Bye bye. So yes, it's time to say bye, and hope they reach home safely. So guys, I just wanted to share the experience with the vegetable and fruit vendors with you all. So that's the reason I made a small sort of video. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Please give it a like, share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Take care guys. Stay safe. Stay home.